The math lesson I will discuss is about greater than, less than, and equal. First, I will explain what greater than is. If the first number is bigger or more than the next number, you will use greater than symbol. We use greater than when talking about the things you're comparing. Which is bigger, 1,000 pesos or 500 pesos? The answer is greater than. 1,000 is greater than or less than 500? The answer is greater than. Second, I will explain about less than if the other number is lesser than or lower than or smaller than the other all number to the left or it on the line are less than the given number. 100 is greater than or less than 200. The answer is less than. Is 50 greater than, less than, equal than 1,000? The answer is less than. Is 100 greater than, less than, equal 200? The answer is less than. Third, I will explain when to use equal sign. It is used to represent that two numbers or set of numbers has the same value or they are equal. Equal sign represent equality, indicate that the expression on both sides that the same value. Is 20 greater than, less than, equal than 20? And the answer is equals. Is 5 greater than, less than, equal than 5? The answer is equals. Good job! I hope you learned something. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.